Oh, good morning or good afternoon. My name is Joaquim Garrabou. I'm a senior scientist at the Institute of Marine Science here in Barcelona. And it's a pleasure for me today to present Observadores del Mar, a marine citizen science platform working for a healthy ocean that I have the honor to present on behalf of all my teammates in this nice adventure of Observadores del Mar. That you find that the list of people in this slide. Before entering into the details of our presentation today, I want to highlight the issue of the citizen science is a fast-growing discipline, as we show in this figure. In the orange line, you have the total number of scientific publications that we can find in the Web of Science, and in the blue bars, we have the number of papers related to citizen science, and we can see that during the last 20 years there is exponential growth of this discipline in science. So this is one of the first contributions of citizen science, gaining knowledge and enhancing our potential to enlarge both spatial and temporal scales, which is really needed in these times of studying global changes at really large scales, as it says the name. The second contribution of citizen science is that with these activities, we can raise awareness and increase the ocean literacy of our society. And finally, one of probably not a really well-known contribution is the promotion of the dialogue between the scientific world and the society, which is really important to be able to translate the knowledge to the society and to be able to pursue what is the ultimate goal of citizen science, or at least the marine citizen science projects, which is have an impact in enhancing ocean conservation. So we started to work in Observadores del Mar in more or less 8 years ago, in 2012. And within this project, we have quite successful numbers. And here we can find more than 2,000 observations, more than 2,500 of the citizens observers that participate in this initiative, more than 200 organizations, more than 60 scientists belonging to more than 40 research institutions in Spain, but outside Spain in other Mediterranean countries, which conforms our community that we participate these days in 13 different projects. So we consider that Observadores del Mar is a successful marine citizen science initiative, but of course we have many things to improve. But we wanted to show our path during these last 8 years, following the scheme presented in this white paper on marine citizen science published by the European Marine Board. And where they show, they publish this scheme on what are the main pillars to have a successful citizen science project. So we will follow this scheme to present how we address the different pillars. In this case, I start by engagement of citizens and what are the goals of our project. So we engage a diverse group of our society, like recreational and professional fishermen, recreational divers, sailors, educational centers, or anyone who has a link, a bond with the sea. And we enhance them through their curiosity and concern by conservation issues on the ocean. And we propose them different activities to take action, to do something for the ocean through this initiative. So how it works? So we propose them to select a project, to follow the protocols that are described for the different projects, share the observations that they do through the web portal. Then we establish a discussion or a contact or dialogue with them, and then we propose through these different activities to take different kind of actions that it can be declined in different ways. So we are really proud of our new web app portal that it contains different and novel and hopefully well appreciated functionalities for our community, and we invite you to explore our portal and to know more about. We don't have time to go into the details in this presentation. And what you can find in this portal is that we are working in 13 projects that are dealing with different group of species such as corals, exotic fishes, and seaweeds, seabirds, and the growing concern about the marine litter. We have 2 projects dealing with this. And all the projects, they share these common goals, which is increase the knowledge on biodiversity, focusing mainly on species distribution and abundance, and gaining some more knowledge on the impacts of the anthropogenic activities, including climate change and the colonization by exotic and invasive species in the Mediterranean. We propose the participants to the Observadores del Mar different challenges. For instance, in this case is knowing or observing when this red gorgonian is reproducing, what is the reproduction period of this gorgonian in different areas of the Mediterranean, because we do know that this phenomena, which it takes on yearly basis, can be affected by the ongoing warming. This is a calendar of these different challenges that the different projects propose. So in this way, the community can be active during the entire year. If we move to another of the pillars to have a successful citizen science project is to improve ocean literacy. And we have a really successful project which is called Microplastic Watchers, which is proposing to different schools a really simple and robust protocol to quantify the quantity of macroplastic and microplastic particles in the beaches. And so far, we engage more than 2,000 students to participate in the project, and we are getting really nice information in the Valencia and Catalan and Balearic coast. So we move to the last example of how we are dealing in Observadores del Mar to obtain reliable data and how we are contributing to science. And as we say at the beginning, we have a committed team of more than 60 scientists that validate all the observation uploaded to the platform. And this group of scientists, they can establish a dialogue with the citizens and share their experience, and as well the citizens can share their knowledge with them. All the data is being transferred to the international data portals as JBIF and EmonNet. And of course, the data is being published in scientific journals. And here I'm presenting the last of these papers that it concerns the observation of these pufferfish that enter in the Mediterranean through the Suez Canal in 2003. And it has been observed just recently at the gates of the Atlantic. So this is really important information to better understand the colonization pathways of this kind of species. And I'm approaching the end of this presentation. So what's next? Of course, we will be continuing to improve all the functionalities implemented in the project in the Observadores del Mar. We will be encouraging other scientists to join our initiative and implement new projects, because, as I say at the beginning, Observadores del Mar is a platform of marine citizen science project. But we will be really busy during the next 4 years implementing a marine citizen science project that it's going to take us to cover all the Spanish coast from the peninsula and as well in Canary Islands with citizen science projects, focusing especially on Natura 2000 network sites with the goal of improving their management. So that's all for now. Thank you for your attention, and don't hesitate to contact me or Observadores del Mar if you have any further comments or curiosity about the project, and check out our new website if you need more information. Thank you very much, and have a pleasant Congress. Bye.